Okay, you've heard the argument that systems cabling saves time and money. But what if I told you system cabling actually makes you money? A lot of money. Got your attention? Here's what I mean. For this particular example, let's assume you're a panel builder, and you're making panels that simply have a controller with one 16-channel output card. Based on a previous time study, we know that it takes about 26 minutes to wire an output card using the traditional point-to-point approach. On the other hand, it takes 1 minute and 40 seconds to wire the same card using a systems cabling solution. Big deal, right? Systems cabling's faster. We already know that. Well, let's push a little further. Let's take a look at the cost per panel versus the amount of potential profit you could make. First, the material costs of each. We already know point-to-point wiring is the cheaper alternative. For this example, we only really need to worry about the cost of the wiring arm and terminal blocks, which are $55 and $20 respectively. Since most shops have large amounts of cables, ferrules, and markers on hand, we'll ignore these costs. On the other hand, we have the component costs of a systems cabling solution. The adapter, 2 cables, one for each group of 8 channels, and 1 interface module. And, as noted, the systems cabling solution is higher. But let's take a look at labor rates. This is where things get interesting. For this example, let's assume you're charging a fully burdened rate of $50 per hour, meaning it accounts for labor, facility costs, management fees, and everything else. Then let's go back to the time it takes to produce these panels. Again, 26 minutes for point-to-point, 1 minute 40 seconds for systems cabling. At that $50 rate, we would charge $21.58 for labor per panel on the point-to-point panel, while only charging $1.38 for the systems cabling labor. Big deal, right? Point-to-point is cheaper. Way cheaper. You're right, but let's keep pushing. Let's say you charge $500 for this finished panel. That means you make a profit of $398.42 by hardwiring and $343.62 using systems cabling. Now, here's the aha moment. Ah! Let's factor in wiring times again. 1 minute 40 seconds versus 26 minutes. That means you could produce a maximum of 2 complete panels using a point-to-point approach, while you could create up to 36 complete panels with systems cabling. All of a sudden, things look a little different, huh? Are you okay with settling for $800 worth of profit when you can make over $12,000? And that's just in 1 hour. Multiply this over an 8-hour shift or a 40-hour week, and the differences become even more extreme. So, like I said in the beginning, systems cabling can make you money. A lot of money. For more information on systems cabling, visit phoenixcontact.com/cabling.